So here's a new trending app which is called Moonshot, buy and sell memes. Right now it's in top charts in finance category on iOS App Store. Is the easiest way to discover, buy and sell meme coins. Convert cash to Moonshots in minutes. Easy deposit and withdrawal. Make cash deposit with Apple Pay, credit and debit cards and bank transfers in a few minutes. Cash out your holdings at any time with easy bank transfers. See trending memes that people are buying most. Get live updates about hot moonshots and track your holdings. Share your gains with your friends after taking profits. Stay in control, support and terms. So basically, if you are interested in buying these meme coins, which are going viral for like basically a few hours, and they gain value, but they instantly lose all the value. So you just kind of want to play in these crypto memes. Again, you should be really, really careful with this. A lot of people lost a lot of money with this. So, you need to do at your own disclosure. But here's finally an app just for that. Maybe you can actually earn some money on it. So you can also invite some friends in here. You can just if use my code. So here's my code, by the way, which you can just use. So that's where it is. Or you can just skip it. And then you can just go and create your account. So let's just try to do it. So here's my account. Just and then here it is. So now you have created an account. So that's how you create it. And then here you have all of the top meme coins. You can, for example, see like the top meme coin, which is trending these days. So as you can see, in 4 hours in max, so it's already gained like 8,000%. So you can just buy it and then you will just need to sell it instantly. So that's the idea. And then you can see like top gainers right now in this app. Like a lot of meme coins. Again, you should use it at your own disclosure, because these are meme coins, they go in value from zero to something, and then instantly they crash and they worth nothing. So maybe you can play with it, like you can put like $20 and just play with it. But yeah, this is the idea. And then you can just have your total balance. You can just make a deposit. You can actually do it with Apple Pay. So it's quite easy. I don't know, like it doesn't ask me for any verification, for any ID, nothing. So here you just have your wallets, which is basically a Solana wallet. And your moonshots are held in cryptocurrency wallets in your custody. You can directly control your wallets using a secret phrase. So by creating an account, you instantly create a Solana wallet, but you don't do it in a complicated way, as is old school kind of like just with other wallets. You just instantly create your account with email, super quick sign in, and your wallet is created. And then you can deposit, you can send, you can withdraw, and yeah, here it is. And then you can just play with it. So yeah, you can just spot some coins here, and then you just have them here. That's what it is basically. And then you can just search within it. And so then you can just search some Bitcoin, obviously, but then, for example, you can see this, you can see some stats, you can see market cap, volume, holders. So already for Trump coins, there are 300,000 holders, and this was created 9 hours ago. And then a lot of people selling a lot of coins. Some people are buying, like as you can see, 200K here. Wow. So some people have it with a cryptocurrency. You need to know what you are doing with this app, because you can easily lose all of this here. So that's where you have it. So that's the app. Try it out.